and welcome to Sanjay CRM. I'm Sakshi Lokande, and in this video, let's dive into the philosophy behind the OPR dashboard in Sanjay CRM. मतलब ये डैशबोर्ड कैसे बना, क्यों बना और क्यों इसमें वो सब चीजें हैं जो आप रोज देखते हैं. Let's decode it together. So when we first started designing a dashboard for our CRM, हमारा विजन काफी क्लियर था कि संजय का डैशबोर्ड should be simply simple, fully flexible and completely configurable. But soon, bigger questions came in, like what should this dashboard do? Who's going to use it? When will they use it? And how will it actually help? और आप जब भी what, when, who, how के चक्कर में पड़ते हो, तो you must always go back to the most important question, why? So, why use a dashboard? Like, why would an MFD, a financial advisor, or an insurance agent use a dashboard? तो आंसर काफी सिंपल है. सेल्स, सपोर्ट, मार्केटिंग, टीम एक्टिविटीज ये सबको मैनेज करने के लिए. इसके अलावा टू ट्रैक प्रोसेसेस, मॉनिटर प्रोग्रेस एंड अदर बिजनेस क्रिटिकल एरियाज ऑल ऑन वन स्क्रीन, रियल टाइम एंड रोल बेस्ड. नेक्स्ट, हु आर द यूजर्स? मतलब डैशबोर्ड को यूज करेगा कौन? Well, the OPR dashboard in Sanjay CRM is meant for everyone in the advisory ecosystem. Executives, business owners, relationship managers, runner boys, back office staff, etc. Which meant that this dashboard needed to be configurable for every role so that each user can track their KPIs and fulfill their key intentions easily. Now, when will this dashboard be used? So, unlike analytical reports, which are reviewed once in a while, Sanjay's OPR dashboard is live and real time, which means it is meant to be used daily as a pulse check of your business. और lastly, इससे मिलेगा क्या? मतलब संजय का OPR dashboard आपको क्या देगा? The answer is actionable insights. कैसे? That's what we'll cover in upcoming videos, but in this one, let me walk you through the core design philosophy of the OPR dashboard. So, the design is inspired by an ancient Ayurvedic diagnostic method called Trivida Pariksha, or the threefold examination process, which is Darshanam, Sparshanam and Prashnam. जिसमें first is Darshanam, मतलब observation. This refers to the visual examination of the body. यहाँ पे जो आयुर्वेदिक वैद्य होते हैं या डॉक्टर होते हैं, they take a visual check of the body, tongue, skin, posture, eyes, etc. to spot any visible signs of dosh imbalance. Second is the sparshanam, मतलब touch. This refers to the physical examination through touch. यहाँ पे pulse reading, temperature, swelling, etc. check होते हैं to assess the dosha levels. Third is the prashnam, matlab questioning. This involves detailed questioning of the patients, like asking them about their symptoms, digestion, lifestyle, sleep cycle, etc. to reveal the internal imbalances and root cause. Now that's exactly how the OPR dashboard works. Let me tell you how. So when you open the OPR dashboard and see tabs and matrix, that's your darshanam. OPR tells you if something looks wrong. That is you visually checking the health of your business. Next, you click onto a module to go deeper. That's your sparshanam. You're now assessing what's causing the irregularities. Matlab, OPR helps you check what's going on internally. And if you still have questions, you go into prashnam. You ask your team. Matlab, you're now analyzing the root cause. And Sanjay CRM will tell you exactly who to speak with. So that's the philosophy behind the OPR dashboard. It's not just a visual panel, it's a daily diagnostic tool, a business hygiene check. If something is wrong, the OPR dashboard will tell you instantly and help you trace the why behind it. So, hope this video helped. See you in the upcoming videos where we'll explore how to extract real insights from the OPR dashboard and how to use it to track your business smarter. Thank you for watching and see you soon.